Perplexity Spaces turns scattered notes, random AI chats, and saved links into one organized place to learn tools like ChatGPT or Gemini. No coding needed. Let's set up our first space. Here we are in Perplexity. Now I'm on a Perplexity Pro account, but Spaces is available on free accounts as well. So to set up a space, click over here and then click the little plus icon. All right, so now you're going to name your space. So in this case, I want to use Perplexity Spaces to teach me how to use AI, specifically prompt engineering. So I might say my AI Learning Hub. Now, description. So this is optional. So teach me about prompt engineering. Okay, and then custom instructions. So like ChatGPT, custom instructions will guide the AI in how to give you outputs. Now I've used ChatGPT to create pretty simple custom instructions for me. So here I give it a role. Your role, you are my friendly AI teacher. Explain everything clearly, no jargon. Keep your answers short, step by step, and easy to understand. My goal, I want to learn how to write better AI prompts for tools like ChatGPT and Gemini. I'm a beginner. This is important, okay? Imagine you're teaching someone who has never done this before. Very important, because now that Perplexity knows I'm a beginner, it's going to keep its outputs as simple as possible. So click continue. Alrighty, so here we are in Perplexity Spaces. Now, before I jump into more things about Spaces, just in case you're unfamiliar with Perplexity, let's take a quick tour. So first things first, we have the search. Here I have Pro, so I have more searches available to me. I have deep research. I can use deep research directly in Spaces. And then I have something new, which is labs. Make sure you check out the video here. Over here, we have web search. So I can do just a basic web search. I can do academic search. So only focuses on academic papers, social media, Reddit, specifically Quora and other sites, and then even financial websites. Here, when do I want the information to be found? So for example, only search from information that was posted today, last week, last month, last year. I can add files directly to each chat if I wanted to. I can dictate, or I can use Perplexity's voice mode. Now, the next step is I might want to add some of my own PDFs or my own files. So I just click this little content button. And then over here, I can add files. So for example, maybe I have a PDF I found before about different prompting techniques, or maybe I read an academic paper a couple weeks ago. I can add that here. But I don't know much about AI prompt engineering right now, so I want to search for this stuff. That's where Perplexity really shines, when you search and find your own sources. So let's X this for now. Okay, let's try a sample prompt. So I'm learning about prompt engineering. So maybe I might say, what are the most popular prompting techniques in 2025? So click enter. Alrighty, so we have zero-shot prompting, few-shot prompting, meta prompting, role prompting. These are all great. Okay, a great comparison table. I love this. Key takeaways, and one of my favorite features of Perplexity is related searches. So what related searches do is allow you to go deeper into each chat. So for example, what are the top prompt engineering techniques I should master in 2025? A little different. How does meta prompting improve responses? And so on and so on. So to go back to the main window, I'll just click up here, the name of my space. All right, so now you can see that my space is down below. Now, one of the most powerful features of Perplexity is collaboration. So let's say that I'm doing a professional development conference this summer, and we're learning about AI, and I want to work with my colleagues on the same space at the same time. Well, that's definitely possible. So I come up here to click share. And now right away, I have a couple of options. So I can add their emails. Now in the free version, you can have, I think, up to 5 collaborators, or I can make this space anyone with the link. So what that means is that anyone with this link has access to the space, as well as all the threads down below, or the chats down below. So I'm going to click share all threads. So now I copy this link and I share this link with my colleagues, And then before I know it, this Perplexity space is filled up with some fantastic threads. And that's Perplexity Spaces. Now your AI learning is all in one place, organized, simple, ready when you are. And if you'd like to collaborate with me on a Perplexity space, let me know down in the comments. I'd love to share my learning journey with you.